Be careful with errors that we've done when writing the code. We've done them intentionally and you have to correct them to get a correct answer. At the end, before execution, we've done the correct code. We declare the dimension of array, the array, and sum. We'll fill the array, we will print the matrix to have a better interaction with the user. Now we'll find the sum. To iterate each row, we'll use for integer I equals 0, I is lower than n, I++. And here we'll declare sum equals 0 because we need to find and print the sum for each row. When the row ends, the sum will become 0 again. And to iterate the actual row, we'll use j equals 0, j is lower than m, j++. Sum equals sum plus ai, j. We'll close the j loop and we'll print a message at the end of each row. Printf sum for the %d, that will be I, or the row that we are on that interaction, is %d, and we'll include here the variables I plus 1 because here is 0 but for the user it is 1, and sum. At least we'll compile and see the result. We'll give for testing small values, fill the array, and here are the results, sum for each row. So